Jamaican male sprinters are making a powerful comeback in the 100-meter, and it's not just about history anymore. It's about the future. With rising stars like Kishane Thompson, Oblique Seville, Bryan Levell, and Ackeem Blake breaking personal records and dominating the track, Jamaica is ready to reclaim its title as the sprinting powerhouse of the world. From Usain Bolt's legendary world records to the current wave of young talent, the Jamaican sprinting legacy continues to evolve. In this video, let's explore how these athletes are pushing the limits of speed and why the rest of the world should be paying attention. Let's dive in. Jamaica has continued its rise in men's sprinting with athletes such as Lennox Miller, Donald Quarry, and Raymond Stewart, who all earned major championship 100-meter medals in their careers. It's safe to say that Jamaica entered a golden era of the men's 100-meter in 2005 when Asafa Powell ran a then world record of 9.77 seconds in Athens, Greece. More attention reached the island of fewer than 3 million people as the country's athletes continued to perform when Usain Bolt ran a world record of 9.72 seconds at the 2008 New York Grand Prix and later ran 9.69 seconds to win at the Beijing Olympics. A year later, Bolt demolished that record at the Berlin World Championship to 9.58 seconds, a record that still stands.
Away first time, good start from Bolt. Bolt leading a moment and going away. Gay trying to go with him and he's being dragged through to second place, but he's going to win it by 2 meters. 9.58. The world record's gone. That's more like it.
During this time, athletes such as Yohan Blake, Nesta Carter, Asafa Powell, and Michael Frater were mounting major championship podiums in the event, making Jamaica the most dominant country in men's 100-meter sprinting. Jamaica fell off in men's 100-meter running after Usain Bolt's retirement in 2017, and it took 7 years for Jamaica to earn another major championship medal. Kishane Thompson earned a silver medal in the 100-meter dash at the Paris Olympics, and it has ignited a fire in the Jamaican men. The 2025 season has seen Jamaican men become a lot more consistent in the 100-meter. Athletes such as Kishane Thompson, Oblique Seville, Bryan Levell, and Ackeem Blake have all gone fast this season. Thompson has done a personal best of 9.75 seconds to equal Yohan Blake's stadium record at the Jamaica National Championship.
Set position, bang, is sent off. Seville gets out quickly, so too does Thompson. Thompson takes charge. Thompson pulls away from the field. Ackeem Blake. Here comes Seville as well. Seville gets second behind Thompson. 9.71 with the flash time.
Oblique Seville went 9.83 seconds to finish second at the Jamaica National Championship. Bryan Levell has done a massive personal best of 9.82 seconds at the Raiffeisen Austrian Open.
Malenga again is away very quickly. Levell though, slow start, but now the big, tall, strong Jamaicans into his running, and he comes through and he's absolutely dominated the race.
Ackeem Blake ran a personal best of 9.88 seconds to place third at the Jamaica National Championship. With the impressive times of Kishane Thompson, Bryan Levell, and Oblique Seville, Jamaica now has the 3 fastest 100-meter sprinters in the world. This is exciting news for track and field, as the Jamaican men are back at the top in the men's 100-meter event, raising the stakes and making the competition fiercer than ever. All of these Jamaican sprinters are below the age of 25. Most elite sprinters tend to do their best performances from 25 and beyond. This is a good sign for Jamaica, and this will make it harder for the rest of the world to be on par with the Jamaican men. It's safe to say that these Jamaican sprinters are once again dominating the 100-meter scene, proving that their legacy is far from over. With young stars leading the charge, the future of Jamaican sprinting looks brighter than ever. Now, we'd love to hear your opinion. Who do you think has the potential to become the next big star in Jamaican sprinting? Kishane Thompson, Oblique Seville, Bryan Levell, or Ackeem Blake? Do you believe these young sprinters can carry the torch and dominate the world stage just like Usain Bolt? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our video on the Jamaican men's 4x100-meter relay team's comeback for Tokyo World Championships. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things Caribbean athletics, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.